We're Darla and Mark. This is our 26-foot 2017 Sunseeker Class C that we named Serenity. We travel the U.S., work camp in the summer and usually the fall. We're amateur photographers, landscape and wildlife, who love birding, hiking, history, cemeteries, horror movies, and heavy metal music. Join us on our adventures. I'll give you a little look at, this is Point Mallard Campground. Point Mallard Park is a city park in Decatur, Alabama. This is our old stomping grounds. Mark and I lived here after we got married 20-some years. He worked in Coleman, I worked in Huntsville, and Decatur's kind of halfway in between. But this is Point Mallard. It's a beautiful park. This is the short-term camping area over here. Office is right up there. Very nice people that work here. And this is the bathhouse down here. And then we're over there. And then they also have a long-term parking. They have monthly rates here. This is the backside of the short-term camping site. We're actually here for about 20 days, but you're only allowed to stay on one spot for 14 in this area. So she put us in one spot and then had us move to the spot right next door. And they're very level, full hookup sites. It's $43 and change per night. And then it's I want to say $216 for a week. And we're right up there. And I'll walk out here to the road and show you. I think I actually filmed a little bit of this earlier. But nice little trails, and there's a water park in the summer. Of course, that wouldn't be operating right now. It's January. It's January 2nd. I'll cut back in a minute when I get there. Right down there is the entrance to the campground. There's part of it there, the dumpsters. And then across the street here, there's a sidewalk. It goes down and it goes past the golf course. And then it goes down to where the water park is. It's been a while since I've been to the water park. At least I think that's how you get to the water park. But there is a bunch of hiking trails and stuff. A friend of mine and I used to run down here sometimes. Back when I was a runner. Not a runner anymore, but I used to be. And then there's the golf course over there. But this goes all the way down. You walk down to where I don't know if you can see right down there, there's some cars parked. And that's where the trails are. Maybe I'll get out there one day and walk the trails. Oh no, I bet this is where you go to the water park right here. There's the Point Mallard sign. It goes that way. So that's where the water park would be. That down there is just probably the hiking trail that goes around the... People go hiking and running down there. And that's what I used to do. I used to run with a friend. But there's the Point Mallard Campground sign. If I can get it zoomed in there. It's bright, so I can't really see. But anyway, that's a little overview of the Point Mallard Campground. It really is a beautiful park. I do know they had a little trouble with flooding a couple of times, but we had quite a bit of rain the other day. There was some standing water, but we didn't have any flooding down there. So one of my favorite things here at Point Mallard is it's close to the water. So you hear the sandhill cranes flying over, Canadian geese, or Canada geese I should say, all kinds of waterfowl, but especially the cranes. Just love the sound they make when they fly. So I'm going to walk you back to our campsite. They do have parking across from some of these sites. Those are back ends, and this here is like if you have boats or extra cars and things like that. And plus there's a little playground for the kitties, and there are lots of kitties in here. I'll flip back on when I'm up at the campsite. This is the campsite we were in right here. It's number 38. These are pull-throughs, and now we're in 40. Right here, some hookups.
Like and subscribe, and join us next time for another adventure.